Hey guys, Aaron here with Simply New England Off-Road. I know it's been a minute since the last video. I think the last video I did was the Speed Stickers giveaway video. We did have a winner on that. That contest went over well. The person who won did come forward. They decided not to take the item for whatever reason. I'm probably going to end up doing another giveaway in the summer for that same exact sticker system. Stay tuned for that one. Why am I coming back all of a sudden today? What am I here to tell you about? Well, Kemimoto. So, let's take a look at what this is. For those of you that follow me on the CFMOTO Everything group on Facebook, and I please invite you guys to go check that out. It's real simple. Right down here, CFMOTO Everything group. Just go to Facebook, type that into the group section, and you can come join us. We've got about 11,400 members. Everything on there is CFMOTO based. So you're not going to get on there and find everything else. Myself and Marky B, the other admin, we do a pretty good job of keeping the junk off there. We can't catch everything all the time, but we really give it a shot. So let me jump right into this. Kemimoto, first of all. Guys, go check out this site. Kemimoto has loads of accessories. So definitely make sure to go check them out. So, and this is one of them. All right, guys, I'm going to pull this out here. And I think as I was starting to say, if you follow me on that CFMOTO Everything group page, you'll see that a couple people have posted asking about these. And I told you guys, stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a video showing what it is and how to install it and how functional and convenient this little device is. Now, this device here is about 90 bucks around. We'll call it $85 to $90. You can go to the Kemimoto site and get it directly, or you can jump on Amazon and buy them. This is it right here. This here is the GPS or cell phone holder, whatever you want to use it for, by Kemimoto. And what you've got here is a multifunctional device. You can put your GPS, tablet, whatever you're using, right inside of here. And what you do is you push down this button. Your adjustments are in the back for how high or low you want it to go. This adjusts. Take your GPS, your tablet, whatever you're using, tighten it down, boom, there it is. Now you'd say, okay, yeah, and hold on tight, because I'm going to show you where this installs and how easy it is. The other cool feature about this is where I say multifunctional, kill two birds with one stone, as they say. Inside here, storage. So you have more storage, which we know, in this case, the Z950, it's not fantastic when it comes to storage unless you have the aftermarket parts, the aftermarket accessories, excuse me, like the trunk or the overhead bags or the Kemimoto bag that I have in the middle of that. So here you get some more storage, GPS. Again, you can adjust this. You can put your phone right in here. I'm going to show you again how easy this is to take out. Close this up, loosen this, pull this up, close it. There you go. Take it in with you, bring it back home. Do whatever you do with it. Keep this right there mounted on your machine, and there you go. Alright guys, so here we are. I'm now inside the Z950. I'm just going to move that out of my way so my head doesn't keep hitting on that. Oh, by the way guys, this mirror system, Kemimoto, this bag right here, the storage bag, Kemimoto. And before I go into the install on this, just take a look real quick. I'm just going to bring you to the Kemimoto website. And I'm just going to point around to a couple of things that they have on here. So take a look. So as you can see, I mean, a lot of cool stuff on here. You can just keep going and going. And in the product I'm showing you today also, guys, if you happen to stumble across this video and you're not a CFMOTO owner, but you have some of the other models that are out there, they have very similar units to the one I'm showing you here that also hold your GPS. So again, these are not just for CFMOTO. I wanted to point that out. But the one I'm showing you today is for the Z950. It works fine on the HO, the HOEX. It'll fit 2021 up to today's model, 2023. So don't worry about that. All right, so this is your unit as I showed you earlier in the video. The first thing that you're going to want to do, let me point out, this, without any lift, be a max height of 5 inches from here to here for it to be tight. When you lift it, you're going to get a max distance height-wise for whatever size your GPS is from here to here when lifted is 8 inches. So 5 inches closed, 8 inches when fully expanded. Okay? So for the moment, I'm just going to place that right there. You kind of already get an idea of what this is going to look like, and it's actually pretty cool. And again, if you're in here, and I have the window here, so sorry about the glare, but just showing you it fits just fine with that there. And like I said, you can go ahead and you can store stuff in there, whatever it is that you want. Keeping in mind, don't put anything that can shatter or crack, because unless you want to put a cloth in there or something, because when you're riding, it could bounce around, and it is plastic, so you could end up breaking if you threw your phone in there without any protection and you were bouncing around. So keep that in mind. But anyways, it's kind of common sense. I'm going to close this up. So the first thing you're going to want to do that Kemimoto sends along with your unit is you've got some foam pads, okay? When looking in the instructions, basically what it's telling you is that to go ahead and install a piece here, here, and here, which is here, down here, and down here. Why it's saying that is so when you go ahead and put your GPS or your device in here, you have a little bit of backing to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut 3 pieces, just like this. Very simple. And it comes with 2 thicknesses, so you can do your choice. I'm going to go ahead, because I do have mine in this sturdy case, and it's also got the rubber backing. I'm going to go ahead and just put my piece here. And it doesn't have to be anything beautiful looking. I mean, you can make it as nice and straight as you want it. That's a little crooked. So I'll go ahead and, for us people that are obsessive compulsive and are like, oh my God, that's killing me, it's crooked. There you go. And then down here, just the same thing. Peel the back off of this. It's double-sided there. Put it right here. Same thing. And you don't have to make it that big. You can make it smaller, or however big you want. Put the next piece right here. Now this way, when you go put your GPS device in there, or tablet, whatever you're using in here, your phone, and then you go ahead and open this up and lock it down. It's that easy. Now it's locked in there. If you get vibration, that foam is going to keep you from hearing a vibrating noise. It also keeps it from going back and forth, and then maybe if you didn't have a protector, scratching up the back of your device. So it's optional, but I definitely recommend it. So now that I've shown you the first part of the install on this, which was, again, very simple, I'm going to go ahead and open this back up. I'm going to take my device out, put that back over here. And what you're going to do now, to mount this, okay? The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and, I have a little bottle of Windex right here. There we go, here's my paper towel. Go ahead first and clean this area really well, okay? Let's clean this up. It needs to be cleaned anyways. This whole machine needs a major bath. It's been sitting in here. As you guys have noticed, I haven't done a lot of videos over the winter, and if you followed me in the past, you'll notice that during the winter I slow down. I'm in New Hampshire. It gets very cold here. My barn has only the pellet stove heat at the moment. It takes the edge off, but when it's 10 degrees, 15 degrees out, it doesn't matter. This is not an insulated barn, so it's pretty cold in here, and I'm just not a big fan of the cold weather. Anyway, first thing, again, clean that off. Go ahead and don't worry about the bottom. Just clean that, because now what you can see is you're going to take this. You're going to peel this off completely. Now today, I am not going to peel this off because I am probably going to be upgrading to a new machine in the coming year, and I don't want to have to keep putting this on and off. So what I recommend, okay, is take a heating gun. Go ahead and heat this up a little bit, just a little bit, and then when you peel this backing off, heat it up a little bit. It'll actually improve the stickiness. You don't have to do it, but I've seen people do that when it comes to double-sided things like this, when it comes to tapes that are built into the whatever it is you're installing, and that's what you're counting on to hold your device or product to the machine you're installing it on. That's just one piece of advice. Again, you don't have to do that. But yeah, you're going to peel that all the way off, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to go ahead and line that up. You're going to figure out where it is that you want it. Like I said, you've already seen what this looks like from earlier in the video. And just hold it down, You're going to stick it down there. Go ahead and press that down, tape it down on there, and then there you have it. And that's basically what it's going to look like. And as you saw a moment ago, I don't have anything really pulled up on this right now, and I don't even know if you're going to be able to. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this. But yeah, once it's on there, again, you just open this up. And guys, make sure if you have a mirror, install that so you can get to the little push button on the top easily. Because all you're going to do, as I showed you earlier, when you want to open this up, you push that button. So if you push this all the way in here, you're going to be messing with it. So when you install it, definitely pull it forward a little bit. Kind of mark it out ahead of time. What I would recommend is that when you're laying this out, get yourself a pencil and just draw a line. Just trace it, and that way, right from the edge to edge, and then that way, when you go and place this here with the final sticker, you know where you want it, you get to just place it right down there, and you can match it right up to your line. It'll be perfectly straight. You'll know exactly where it starts and stops. It'll take out all the guesswork. So once you've got that done, open this up, like I showed you, tighten this knob, close it up. Yep. There you go. Your GPS is all set to go. If you have a device that also works as a phone, it's your phone. If you have the device that has unlimited Wi-Fi and you have a Bluetooth stereo system, you can Bluetooth your music from this to the speaker. There's all kinds of things you can do once you put a tablet inside of your machine. It replaces you having to bring multiple devices. So guys, that is it. The Kemimoto, let me show you from the back what it looks like. It's really sleek. It's a nice product, nice quality. The Kemimoto GPS multifunction device holder. If you want to check it out, go see the link in this video description. I'll leave multiple links actually for some different brands as well as just the CFMOTO. And guys, with that being said, Aaron here, the weather is warming up. I will see you on the trails.